Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to detect language automatically in DeepL. So actually guys, at first you will need just go open up your favorite browser and type deepl.com on the search engine, okay? And then just sign in with your account or sign up if you don't have an account. And then there you go. So right here in the translator interface, you will need just to click right here, okay? And then scroll a bit and go with all languages section and click on detect language. So it's that simple, okay? And now you can, for example, just type in Arabic. So we can go with that one. And as you can see, it's detected. Okay, so the Arabic is detected. And for example, we can go with French. Okay. Just to test. So as you can see, it's French detected, okay? And also we can go with English. All right, so English detected. So that way, how to enable the auto language detection, okay? And it's so easy. All you need to do is to go right here, go with all languages section and click on detect language inside DeepL translator, okay? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.